Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Did you know 70% of millionaires invest in dividend-paying stocks? In this video, we'll explore dividend investing and building a passive income portfolio. First, let's define dividend investing. Dividend investing involves buying stocks that pay out a portion of profits to shareholders. These payouts are called dividends. Dividends provide a regular income stream for investors. For example, if you own 100 shares of a stock paying $1 in dividends per share, you'll receive $100 in dividend income. To get started with dividend investing, you'll need to open a brokerage account. Popular options include Robinhood, Fidelity, and Vanguard. Next, you'll need to fund your account with money to invest. Consider setting aside $100 per month for dividend investing. Now, let's discuss how to choose dividend-paying stocks. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. These companies are often called dividend aristocrats. Examples include Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. Another key metric is the dividend yield. Dividend yield is the ratio of annual dividend payments to the stock's current price. For example, if a stock is trading at $50 and pays $2 in annual dividends, the dividend yield is 4%. Aim for a dividend yield between 4 to 6%. Higher yields may indicate a higher risk investment. Now, let's talk about diversification. Diversification is key to minimizing risk in your portfolio. Consider investing in 10 to 20 different dividend-paying stocks. This will help you spread out risk and increase potential returns. For example, if one stock's dividend payment decreases, others may increase, offsetting the loss. Next, let's discuss the power of compounding. Compounding occurs when your dividend payments are reinvested to purchase more shares. This can lead to exponential growth in your portfolio over time. For example, if you invest $1,000 in a stock with a 5% dividend yield, you'll receive $50 in dividend income per year. If you reinvest this income, you'll purchase more shares, increasing your dividend payments the following year. After 10 years, your portfolio could be worth $1,628, with $81 in annual dividend income. Now, let's discuss tax implications. Dividend income is taxed as ordinary income. Consider holding dividend-paying stocks in a tax-advantaged account, such as a Roth IRA. This can help minimize tax liabilities. Finally, let's discuss common mistakes to avoid. One common mistake is chasing high yields. While high yields may seem attractive, they often come with higher risk. Another mistake is not diversifying your portfolio. This can lead to significant losses if one stock's dividend payment decreases. In conclusion, dividend investing can be a powerful way to build a passive income portfolio. By following these tips, you can generate consistent returns with minimal effort. Remember to choose dividend-paying stocks with a history of consistent payments, aim for a dividend yield between 4 to 6%, and diversify your portfolio. Summary: invest in dividend aristocrats, aim for 4 to 6% dividend yield, and diversify your portfolio. Subscribe to our channel for more personal finance content. Like and comment below with your favorite dividend-paying stock.